rise the iron belt fi beat crime, but them have a tough task for them hands. Some of the police them corrupt who are juggler that done fi a gang. Me no know, 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 me no know what the hell is going on. Me no like when me see a one.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know.
In Jamaica, yo, 3 police got busted, nabbed, apprehended for drug charges, cocaine. 1 flown back to Jamaica for questioning. But here, after the break, we are going in it. See?
Welcome to FILTY TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
The JDF and JCF rise the iron belt fi beat crime, but them have a tough task for them hands. Some of the police them corrupt who a juggler that done fi a gang. Me no know, 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 me no know what the hell is going on. Me no like them.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, that song is called State of Emergency, produced by DJ Barber Music and Hard Life Music. You know the man that work with iMary Career. Yeah, and we have put out some good music. So you can go and stream it, download it and buy it. See, State of Emergency. Everything we are going in Jamaica and the world, I hate we are seeing on a talk about, especially in Jamaica. So big up my fellow Jamaicans and big up on yourself. All of the kings and queens, lioness, I hope all is blessed. Yeah man, and as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know we always say health over wealth. But we go straight tonight. We go straight tonight right now. No time for delay. Cops now in the US drug bust. 3 St. James constable charged. 4th suspect flown home being grilled. That's the headline. Say, yes, my people. Yo, me I tell you, say, don't forget to weed out. Me not rejoicing about my glad. Yeah, man. 3 Western Jamaica cops were charged on Tuesday in a sweeping narcotics operation involving high-profile United States law enforcement agents in 2 American cities. See, wow. Yes. Big up Donald Trump, yeah, work, yeah. All of the police personnel operate within the St. James Police Division, St. James Mobile. So they, you know, some of them involved in scamming and gang and killing and all of them things, the corruption. Yeah. I think I real talk. The arrested cops were reportedly intercepted by agents from the Drug Enforcement Administration and Immigration and Custom Enforcement in Atlanta and Charlotte. Seeing so, yeah, Atlanta and Charlotte was where the raid took place, and that's some high top profile police company, you know. You see me, and they got busted. Yeah, so disgusted. They have been identified as a woman constable Sherman Latoya Gooden, Constable Demar Graham, and Constable Trevone Davidson. The 4th cop, a woman constable, was flown back home and is now in custody of the St. James Police. She has not been identified. Seeing so, them fly back. The lady, one of the lady, we question her. Come like she had the soft so them bring she back definitely to Jamaica for questioning. Questioning is ongoing now in Jamaica. Yeah, so I hope none of the people may have questioned her not a part of the team as well. See? Yeah. Dennis Brooks, a communication specialist for the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, confirmed that the 4 had intersections with security agents in the US. In a press statement issued late Wednesday evening, the JCF credited ongoing investigation and intelligence sharing between the JCF and the US counterparts for the arrest of the 3 Jamaican constables. So I say the Jamaica and the US them are linked, the good cops them are linked, and I weed them out. Yeah man, you see me? Get them out. Gleaner sources have revealed that 3 of the implicated constables are assigned to Grenville Police Station, while the 4th works out of the Freeport Police Station. At the time they were held in the US, 2 of the 4 police personnel were scheduled to be on duty and had apparently left the island without the knowledge of the consent of their supervisors. So you see them left, you know, they were supposed to be on duty and they all left the island, flew without the consent of their general, you know what I mean? Yeah, so them left on them own. That means that the drugs them without trouble with. I know my police them now will get checked and searched certain way. You see me? Yeah. The woman constable who was flown back to Jamaica on Tuesday were undergoing intensive interrogation on Wednesday night. See? I know she is being questioned, but I am not able to say whether or not she is cooperating, a police source told the Gleaner. This is a most embarrassing situation for the organization. It is embarrassing. You see me? But we intend to get to the bottom of it. 2 of the cops were nabbed in an operation in the city of Charlotte in Georgia, while the other 2 were held in Atlanta. See, 4 of them, 2 in Georgia, 2 in Atlanta. All 4 constables were flagged by security agents for questioning. The actions of 3 of the constables caused suspicion, and a subsequent search turned up contraband believed to be cocaine. So when they were stopped and pulled over, they were suspicion and give attitude. So the police then draw them suspicion. Because I know American police and the British police them, when they come to psychology, yeah, intelligence, yeah man, big up myself because I study psychology, you know. Yeah, you see me? So the police then get their suspicions and start saying, oh no, I move so fishy. You see me? Shaky. And they was properly searched and cocaine was found, allegedly, you know, substance. They didn't confirm it was cocaine, but them say cocaine. You see me? The incident has again turned the spotlight on the St. James Police, which has had a storied history of police corruption in relation to drug crimes, lottery scamming, and involvement within criminal gangs. So you see, a long time the question has been raised, you know, about the police them involving in lottery scamming, you see me, drugs and gang war and all of them things there. You see me, I sing one of the song in a state of emergency, you know, people will go check it out, you know. While it is embarrassing, it is not a secret that we do have officers whose names come up from time to time in shady activities, but it is sometimes quite challenging to catch them red-handed, a senior officer told the Gleaner. Some of these guys, policemen, are mixed up with scammers and gangsters, but it is difficult to nail them in the act. You know what I mean? The operation evokes memories of the 2009 interdiction of 18 police personnel assigned to St. Mount Salem police station for alleged involvement in the illicit lottery, which has been the main source of funding for criminal gangs. Seeing the people, you see what I want? Lottery scamming is the thing that is funding some of these people with them high-powered weapons. Zine, and some of these criminals, killer, gunman, badman, Zine, are being linked with the police them. And all is coming from Mount Salem, Mobile, you know, all from Mobile. You get to me, I say Granville. And it's embarrassing, you know, and it's not just Mobile, you know, we're not single pointed by Mobile, you know, you have them at Kingston too, you see me, you have them all over Jamaica too, mine shop in the soldier camp too, you see me, enough of them corrupt, you see me, and they need to be weeded out one by one. So, the JC have the good cops them, keep doing the good work, and do the investigation and work on the surveillance and intelligence and get them out, you know what I mean? So, these 4 men flew to America without the consent of them. Supposed to be on duty at Jamaica, you know. You saw them stay and left and them bring it up themselves because them don't nobody to bring it, so them say bring it yourself and that go on, you know. So them travel and bring it themselves and boy them reach safe and go through with it. So come like them either go collection either go on and money either go on. You know me live a foreign, you know, so me a stay to me know it go on, you see me? Not saying I involved, I used to do them thing there. Well, yeah, you see me? But yeah, me know what go on when you run. So they reach in with the thing and maybe they want to distribute the thing, you have to collect the money and them thing, you have to come back at them yard and you know, not surveillance, you know what I mean, intelligence, and they were trailed, stopped, suspicious behavior, get searched, cocaine found, you know what I mean, and 3 of them, 2 man, and them fly back. One in Jamaica for questioning, maybe that one is the one that work on the outskirts, not exactly in the force. You know what I mean? So she's the one who been questioned, not knowing she's gonna comply and agree if we work with them or plea bargain, not knowing, but they don't want to give much information. But my viewers and subscribers, this is a big boss, a great achievement for the US and the Jamaica force, but it's also embarrassing for Jamaica policing. Yeah? I'm not rejoicing, but we are truth of rights, the man of peace, Big up all my viewers and subscribers, my kings of Queen. Big up on the 7 line and my lioness. I hope all is blessed. I don't know. State of emergency. Come and check out this song. Please, DJ Baba, big up yourself. State of emergency. Yeah, man. Whatever thing in that you can relate to, we are talking about to Jamaica. We are done until next time. I'm out.
Big up Lionfoot, subscribe to the channel now. Represented from Afghanistan families. Yo, peace out.